Hello everyone. Let's continue our chapter, our body. In this we were discussing about different organ system of our body. So let's start with next one. That is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us in breathing. The air enters our body through nose. You can see it enters through nose. It then goes to lungs through windpipe. You can see this diagram. Here the air enters through this nose, then through windpipe it reaches the lungs. The main function of this system is to take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So it take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Nose, windpipe and lungs. These are the main organs of our respiratory system. Let's move on to next one. That is circulatory system. Here you can see this picture. The heart, blood and blood vessel. These form the circulatory system. Circulatory system carries blood to different parts of our body. And do you know, this blood also carries oxygen and digested food. Through this blood only, each and every part is getting oxygen and digested food. So, circulatory system is also one of the most important organ system of our body. It carries blood to different parts of our body. Let's move on to next one. Nervous system. As you can see in this diagram, the brain, spinal cord and nerves. These form our nervous system. Our nervous system controls all the actions like reading, writing, playing, learning, thinking, crying, laughing. All these actions are controlled by our nervous system only. So when you learn, that is controlled by nervous system. So we are able to learn anything because of this system only. Our brain is protected by the skull. Skull is bony structure that protects the brain. Let's move on to next topic. Next organ system is excretory system. Waste materials are there in our body like urine and sweat. So what our body do is they remove this, and that is removed through excretory system. So the waste material that is produced in our body like urine and sweat, that are removed through excretory system. And here you can see in this picture, these bean shaped, these are kidney. So kidney is main organ of this excretory system. Beside this, lung is also lung and skin both are part of excretory system, because lungs give out carbon dioxide and sweat comes out of the pores on the skins are there from that. So kidney, lungs and skin, all these form the excretory system. Let's move on to next one. Reproductive system. As you know, all living things reproduce. They give birth to baby or lay eggs. Some organs are involved in this. So the organs of reproductive system, they help to produce young ones, to produce baby. So organ system help to produce young ones of their own kind. So students, to keep our body healthy, we should exercise regularly. Regular exercise help us to keep our body healthy. So you can do yoga, swimming, jogging, walking, running, cycling. All these are different forms of energy. So to be healthy and to keep your organ systems, your body healthy, you have to do exercise and you have to take proper diet. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you so much.